So for this tutorial I'm using medium worsted yarn and 5.5mm crochet hook. We'll get started right away, and I'm gonna start by making a slip knot. And I'm gonna chain 2. So in the second chain from the hook I'm gonna make 3 single crochet, chain 2, 3 single crochet, chain 2, 3 single crochet, all in the same chain, and chain 2, and join to the beginning stitch. This is how it looks so far. I'm gonna chain 1, single crochet in the next stitch and in the following stitch. In the corner I'm gonna make 2 single crochet, chain 2, 2 single crochet, I'm gonna make 1 single crochet in the next 2 stitches, and in the corner again I'm gonna make 2 single crochet, chain 2, 2 single crochet, and again single crochet in the next 2 stitches. In the corner again 2 single crochet, chain 2, and 2 single crochet. And here, this is the beginning. I'm gonna slip stitch. This is how it is so far. Next row it's gonna just be repetitive, single crochet in every stitch, and in all 3 corners I'm gonna make 2 single crochet, chain 2, 2 single crochet. Just that throughout your project. Again in the corner 2 single crochet, chain 2, 2 single crochet, and single crochet in every stitch. And again the end of this row and slip stitch. So it's just a repetitive row throughout your work to obtain the granny single crochet triangle, and this is how it looks like, as easy as I showed you. Again, the written pattern can help you in following the video if you wish to have a look at it. Otherwise, this is how to make the single crochet granny triangle. I hope you like it and found it easy. Let me know what you think, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.